Michael Ruggiero, Vice President of Ameriprise Financial, joins us this morning. Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Like other people, I've been afraid to look at my 401k statement, and I'm wondering if advisors, they know that the president's going to give a news conference and the tariff thing's going to come and everything's going to fall. Did they prepare for this, or are they just kind of letting things go and see what happens?
In this market environment, I don't think that you should let things go. I think you need to take responsibility and accountability for your 401k. What's happening in the market is happening. There's no doubt about that or question about that. It's systemic, but you need to look at your 401k and you need to see what you are invested in. I would recommend calling your plan provider and getting a complete list of all of your investment options within your 401k. This way, if necessary, you can diversify out and manage this volatility within the market.
So that means you have to move money from this area to this area. How do you know where you should move it?
Yeah, that's what I'm paying the advisor to do. I don't know how to do it.
Well, let's take, for example, the lifestyle funds that most everybody is in. You know what I'm talking about? They're the 2030, the 2035, the 2040 funds, things like that. Most people have those in their 401k. However, what many people don't know is that those types of funds, they just can't go to cash in a market scenario such as we have now. The managers are under a mandate to invest it as they were contracted to. So if you have those type of funds and you're heavy in the equity position and you think that the managers are moving them around, they simply are not. Okay, so you are subject to this volatility.
Yeah.
You'll follow the market right down. The investment choices that you have, and again, if you have a financial advisor, if you have a planner and you give them the statement of all your investment choices, they can help diversify you so that you're in the proper sectors that you need to be in during a potential recessionary stagflation environment. And those sectors would be historically utilities, consumer staples, maybe a little bit of energy.
So what do you see the end game? What do you see the end game is here? Is this can someone propose? Let's just all do 0%, or like I don't understand what the end game is here.
Nobody does. I would love to give you an answer to that question, but nobody sees what the end game is here. It doesn't make sense, and I cannot put a positive spin on this. If I did, I would be doing a disservice to your viewers. Mm-hmm. This is historically unprecedented. The only thing that I could think of is that there's trillions of dollars in U.S. government debt that needs to be refinanced a few months from now. And they don't want to refinance it at 7%. So one of the end games could be to get the Fed to lower interest rates as a result of this volatility so that they can refinance that debt at a lower rate. That's all I can think of.
Well, we'll see what happens, and be vigilant. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it.
Never a problem. Thank you.